Alright YouTube, here goes a video. I have a 2002 Jeep Liberty and the seat belt, the connector is not connecting into this latch. This is it right here, the one with the wire. So I bought this one right here. It's a slightly shorter, not much, maybe about an inch, and got that one from the pick and pull. This part right here on eBay was $60, so I bought this one at the pick and pull for about $5, and took off the seat. It's got 4 screws, 1, 2 in the front, and then I had to connect the connector down there, and then unplug the connector for the seat belt. So what you gotta look for is you gotta look that this connects. See, it connects. That's what you gotta look for. This one came off of a Toyota van, a Sienna, and it was a similar color. This one is brown, this one's gray, but I think we'll be able to get away with it, no problem. Well, there's a suggestion if you want to save some money. See, and I checked out right here. Sticks out enough, so it'll work. Okay, YouTube. Sorry I can't, put it on and all that stuff for you guys, but all you gotta do is change this screw right here, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Just take out this little clip. Put your new screw. I'm not sure if this one will work. Not gonna try it. And there you go. Sorry I can't put it on and show you the demonstration. Okay, YouTube. So I painted it. I'm gonna decide to paint it. Painted it right there. This is an industrial enamel. Which I bought. I bought it where you buy wrought iron to do wrought iron fences and such, and metal. Works really good on metal. This is very thick paint. That's what enamel means, from what I read on online. Is an enamel is very thick, and it's stronger against scratches and such. So there's one side. This one lasts about 10 minutes and then dries up, and then I'll show you guys the final result when it's installed working. Alright, YouTube, let's see, I finished painting the seat belt, and while I was down here I decided to wash the carpet because it was really dirty in there. I got a couple of kids. Well, here it is. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Looks pretty good. The finish looks good. It's a little rusty. You know how the pick and pull is. So here we go. Pretend a person sitting right there. There you go. Just saved $55. And this is what I did. Forgot to mention, but I grabbed this one out of another Jeep pick and pull that was burned, and I tested this one out until I found the right fit and color that I liked. Alright, YouTube, thanks a lot. Please leave comments, positive, negative. Any questions, ask them below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Have a good day.